In this video, we'll see how to analyze student performance, how to view student progress, and how to view class progress. Use PowerTeacher Pro to analyze students' performance at any time during the school year to ensure that students are mastering the skills and standards that are being taught. All the pages under the Students menu on the left are helpful to give insight to individual student performance. In the Students menu on the left, select Quick Lookup Standards. You can view the standards aligned to the course and the final grade for each standard. Click on a standard final grade to view details about it. If you select Students on the left, then select Quick Lookup Traditional, you can view the attendance for the last 2 weeks, current schedule, grades for each term, and a summary of total absences and tardies. To view this page for a different student, use the Quick menu. To view attendance details, select the linked number under the absences or tardies column. This page provides dates of the absences or tardies. To view final score details, select the linked grade under the terms column. This page will display a list of assignments, assignment categories, assignment flags, assignment score, and assignment details. The legend for assignment flags is at the bottom of the page. Also, to view individual student progress, we can look at the Student Standards Progress page to view individual student standards grades by reporting term. Make sure you're in the correct class with the class selector at the top of the PowerTeacher Pro window. Select the Students menu on the left and then select Standards Progress to view the student's progress in each standard. Scroll down and review the scores for each standard. You can manually override standard scores on this page by selecting a score, which will open the grading calculator. Enter a new grade and select the Save button. Select the Assignments icon button for one of the standards, which displays a graph of the student progress in that standard. Below the graph, you can see the assignments that are linked to that standard. You can override standards grades in this table by selecting a score, which will open the grading calculator. Enter a new grade and select the Save button. Use the Quick menu to quickly view a different standard. To view additional standards on one graph, select the gear icon, then select Progress options. Select the checkboxes of standards you would like to appear on the same graph. To view this graph for another student, select the Students menu on the left and select a different student. Instead of looking at individual students' progress, we can view the progress of a whole class by using the Progress pages. First, make sure you're in the correct class using the class selector at the top of the PowerTeacher Pro window. Then select the Progress menu on the left side of the window. The Standards page provides a distribution of standards grades aligned to the selected class and by students in the class. The Traditional page provides the distribution of overall course grades for the selected class and by students in the class. The color scales on these pages match the color of the grade scale in the Standards-Based Grading Handbook. We'll select the Standards page first. You can also get to the Standards Progress page by selecting the class selector at the top of the window. Then select the bar graph icon to go to the Progress screen. The Standards Progress page displays a list of standards in this class. The simple bar graph on the Standards Progress page shows the distribution of grades for each standard linked to assignments in the selected class. Select the graph to open the Standards Grades Distribution window. On the left side of the Standards Grades Distribution window, view the grade distribution for the selected standard. On the right, view the grade trends of the students in the class for the selected term compared to the previous term. A red arrow in the grade column indicates that the student's level of mastery is trending down between the selected terms. A green arrow indicates an upward trend. If there is not an arrow displayed, this indicates there was no change. Close the Standards Grades distribution window. On the right side of the Standards Progress page, the Assignments column indicates the number of assignments to practice the standard. By selecting the Assignments icon button, the Standards Assignment Trend window will open. The Standards Assignment Trend window displays a list of assignments linked to that standard, the due date, and the score type. If you select the name of the assignment, you will be taken to the Grading Assignment List page. On this page, you can edit student scores for this assignment by selecting a grade, which opens up the grading calculator. When you are finished updating grades, select the Save button. You can also access this page by selecting Grading on the left, selecting Assignments List, then selecting the name of the desired assignment. To view a different assignment, use the Quick menu. Similarly to viewing standards progress, we can view grade progress for a whole class. If we select the Progress menu on the left, then select Traditional, we can view grade progress for a class. To change to a different class, use the Class selector at the top of the window. On the Traditional Progress page, the bar graph shows the overall grade distribution for the selected class. You can click on the bar graph to see the grade distribution by quarter based on individual students who are displayed on the right in this window. There are also indicators next to grades to show if students' grades are increasing or decreasing. Back in the Traditional Progress screen, there is a class count of missing, late, or incomplete assignments for this grading period. By clicking on this table, we're taken to the Traditional Grades view to see a breakdown of the missing, late, or incomplete assignments. We can also access this page by selecting Grading on the left, then selecting Traditional. Select the student's name to view a list of assignments and flags. Under the assignment score, you will see the flags for the assignment that has been marked missing, late, or incomplete. We can get to the student's assignment page by selecting Students on the left, then selecting Assignments. You can quickly change the student you are viewing with the Quick menu. Thank you for watching this video about analyzing student progress.